Hello YouTube family, today we are unboxing, assembling and reviewing the Aivituvin rabbit hutch. You will find the link in the description below. We picked this house because it has 2 stories and the opportunity to separate both stories.
I made it!
The Aivituvin rabbit hutch comes with a clickable system and foldable system, so it's really easy to put together. You just unfold it and click the different parts together. We only use a screwdriver for one of the parts, the stairs.
Oh my god, he's gonna...
Let me take you for a tour. Here is the bedroom, because you know it has this little wall so they can hide in it. There you have the door to access downstairs. You can either leave it open or close, whether you want to separate 2 animals or let them run free from one story to the other. There is the ground floor, very spacious, and also another bedroom with access to outside. You know, you can pull the door down and they can walk to get outside. So I'm very satisfied with this house. Let's see what the new owner thinks.
He's trying to scoop up the things.
Or it's their house.
Oh, Oreo's not in yet. Big guy to come in. I love Jillian. The big boy is inside of his home.
Both our pets seems really happy in their new house. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, family.